Hey there everyone! Today I'm making lasagna. My ground beef has browned, so it's ready for the sauce. I'm adding my homemade pizza sauce, including the water that I'm rinsing out the jar with. Now the flavor can soak into the beef as it simmers. My oven can preheat, and I will get the other parts of the lasagna ready for assembling. I don't always have cottage cheese available, but this particular day I did. If I don't have cottage cheese on hand when I decide to make lasagna, a layer of shredded cheese is a very tasty substitute. If I have chopped spinach in my freezer, I add that into the cottage cheese mixture as well. But I was in a hurry today and didn't want to make lunch late by searching for it. I add just enough beef so the bottom of the dish is covered. Then it's time for the noodles. this is my last layer of noodles. Once I have the rest of the meat over, I want to make sure that the noodles are pressed into the layer underneath until the liquid wants to bubble up a bit. Because these are oven-ready noodles, I need to make sure that there's enough liquid around them, otherwise they'll be a little crunchy still, and that's just not the way it's supposed to be. And last but not least, cheese. Now into the oven to bake. If you look closely, you can see my big black roaster in there. I'm also baking a chicken so that I can stock my freezer again with chicken that's baked and chopped and ready to be thrown into whatever chicken dish I want to make. I didn't bother to film myself cutting up the lettuce, but if that's something you'd like to see in the future, please comment below and I'll be sure to film that part in the future. This is how I make Caesar salad. Bacon is super tasty in there as well, but I don't have any on hand and I don't buy the bag of real bacon bits, nor do I buy the fake bacon bits anymore. Just my personal preference. Oh, also, since I've learned how to make Caesar dressing, I don't buy bottles of that anymore either. I love finding ways to make more things from scratch, or at home, or from pure ingredients, etc. Haha, often when I talk about making something from scratch, my husband will joke about it and ask me where on earth I found scratch to cook with. These croutons, on the other hand, oh wow! They're from Costco and they are delicious. There we go, lunch is ready. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and make sure you activate the bell so you'll be notified when we post new videos, whether it's our homesteading lifestyle, cleaning motivation, or another idea of what to put on your plate. Bye!